We're going to do a brief video on SOFI Stock, and we've got a daily chart up here for you with a green 5-day, a red 20-day, and a blue 200-day moving average. Let's take a quick look at this stock. We can see that it rolled into a bear market here in December of 21, and it's been in a bear market ever since. Put in some lows down here on May 10th, 2022, and it's been going sideways, heading for the 200-day moving average all through the summer. That puts us right here. Let's expand this a little bit, and we can see up here's the 200-day. Here's the price right here. Today we are having some good activity in this stock. SOFI's got 51 million shares today traded, which is huge. Price is $6.07. It's up 23 cents today, a 4% increase from yesterday on daily trading volume of 39 million shares. So it's up significantly, about 25% more shares than you would expect. 51 million shares is a ton of shares for $6 stock. So there's a lot of volume going on here, and it doesn't look like we've got a huge amount of volatility in the stock. We've got 23 cents. So kind of an interesting situation with SOFI. We do not cover SOFI as a algorithmic stock, but let's take a look at it from a technical analysis perspective. This stock's been going sideways, as I said, since May 10th. It's going to run into this 200-day moving average here soon, whether it rallies or not. It is at the bottom of its previous sell-off from the early August highs. You'll notice it's been in a sideways movement, oscillating around about $6.50, maybe a little more than that, about $6.60 maybe, and we're at the bottom of that range. There's several issues with it. Number one, it made a higher bottom here. It's made a higher bottom here, made a higher top here. Those are all good signs. But right now, price is still below the 20-day moving average, and the 20 and the 5-day moving average are bumping right up against each other today, if you can see that. So in order to make a stab back up here to the $8 range, we need to get this price above, firmly above 20-day moving average. It somewhat respects it. It's not a great respecter of the 20-day, but we've got to get it above the 20-day like we did back here after mid-July to get this stock back up in the $8 range and test the 200-day moving average, which ultimately is what's going to have to happen to get it out of its bear market. The stock still is in a bear market, and you can see it when you look out further. So my best analysis for this stock right now, it's a totally my opinion, a guess for entertainment purposes only, is this could be an $8 stock. We have to get the technical look, as I just described, with the moving averages. And you got to get some, there's plenty of people interested in the stock, just got to get them to the long side. We had a gap to the downside day before yesterday, or yesterday on the open probably, and you know, that was about not a huge gap, but 25 cents gap down on these kind of stocks, you can see it. So we need to get the buyers back in this stock. I think that's probably going to happen, but again, it's just my opinion. Target's about $8. I don't see it going tremendously lower from here. You could get a stab down and maybe challenge these July 5th lows in the low $5 range, but right now I'd be more inclined to see a rally up around the $8 range and then see what goes with the 200-day moving average. Again, this is a bear market stock. You can have the bottom fall out of this stock for any number of reasons, fundamental or technical. So this is all for entertainment purposes, in my opinion only. We do not cover this stock, as I said, at RBAM Research, but we do cover 190 stocks. They come out Monday through Friday, all algorithmically generated every morning before 7 a.m. We have 1, 5, and 20-day holding periods, and the way it works is you buy in this column, assuming your own analysis says it's a good idea, and you close at the end of the next trading day. Same thing for the 5, same thing for the 20, and the 20-day you buy in the 20-day column. Take your profits as soon as you can get them, or worst case, close out at just before the end of the 20th trading day. And that's how these all work. They're all for entertainment purposes only. Have to your own analysis, but you can get all 190 of those at rbamresearch.com. In addition, you can get the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, the most liquid futures contracts, and you get them all absolutely no cost, no credit card required. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that. If you like technical analysis and think it's great, please leave us a comment and tell us why. If you don't like it and you'd like to see us stop using it, please leave us a comment and tell us why as well. We think technical analysis has its place, but we really prefer quantitative trading that we just showed you. Everything you've seen or heard on here, including our entry prices and our commentaries, for entertainment purposes only. You have to do your own analysis and can't use our information or prices for anything other than entertainment, and you definitely trade at your own risk.